Hey, good evening, folks. Another S Group daily review video, video number 135. And yeah, we got our earnings there tonight, 0.38%. Pretty decent day. And if you add both of these numbers up here, I made, where is it here? $80.78 on the money I've invested, this amount and this amount. So that's not bad, guys. I made $80.78 for just having money invested in the Forex system. And if I go back to my investments page here again, I'll show you guys real quick here. So right now, look at that. I have $651.56. I've made that in 15 days, as you see here, guys. It says days past. So that's my two investments running. This is how much I've made on this one in the 15 days, and that's how much I made in this one. And combined, it's $651.56, guys. So just think, having your money invested in something and just letting time pass by and making this type of money, it's definitely a reality, guys. So um, I'm getting closer and closer to 27,000. So that's the next milestone. I know in a couple weeks I'm going to be combining these two investments because if you guys see my previous videos, when this gets to 28 days, I'm going to be combining these two and that will throw the monthly earnings, this right here, for both investments up to the top right. At that point, I can choose to withdraw, reinvest. I pretty much have flexibility at that point. So yeah, that's the reality now, guys. So I am really excited about that. I'm really going to be excited when this gets to like 30,000 because 30,000 I'll be making anywhere from like $90 to $110 a day, basically all the time, unless the system and the trades really dip. But usually the average is about 0. 0.4 on average, between 0.35 and probably I would say 0.45. I would say somewhere in there. So that's looking really, really good. And so if you guys are, just browsing around on YouTube and want to, trying to get more information on S Group, shoot me an email. My email's in the description down below. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. I've been with S Group for about 2.5 years now, so I'm really experienced and have a lot of knowledge in it. And if you're getting really serious to take that plunge, guys, make this type of passive income, there's a sign up link just below this video. You can sign up for S Group and you would actually be signed up underneath my team. At that point, I can coach you along and show you everything, explain everything. They have implemented this high risk, high reward S Forex Pro. As you can see, the trades for S Forex Pro is pretty high, 1.71 there, 2.08 there. I'm not sure what the high risk is, but they haven't really said anything. But you do earn a little bit more, and you can invest in that as well. But the safest bet is to invest in S Forex. It's a lower earnings, but basically it's very, very, very low risk. So I've been in 2.5 years. I've never had a day pass with me losing any money. So it's definitely a win-win situation, guys. So if you have any extra cash, you want to, instead of throwing it in the bank and letting it sit there and not gain anything, you can make money like this, guys. I mean, like I said, I made $651.56 in 15 days, guys, just having the money in there. So this definitely is a reality for you. So as you've seen over time, I've grown to $24,930.09. This is how much money I've made in 2.5 years just for having the money in the system, guys. So um, yeah, so if you want to make that plunge, there's the sign up link down below. You can just fill out the form. You sign up, you get access to the back office. You can click around, take a look. And yeah, don't be shy. Shoot me an email. Let me know you signed up. Or if you have any questions, shoot me an email. And also, with my YouTube channel, you can click on the subscribe button down below this video. That way you can subscribe to my channel. You can see my progress. If you've noticed my other videos, you've seen myself grow with my total deposits as my principal. And yeah, I'm excited to get over 30,000. Should be sometime, probably late summer, I would say. So with that being said, this ends my 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget, click the subscribe button down below. You can subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate you guys following me. So see you in the next video. Take care.